Okay, so now we are going to take a closer look at data types. So what is a data type? A data type in Python defines the type of value a variable can hold. It determines how the data is stored, manipulated, and used in operations. So there are different types of data types. However, we will focus on the basic types for now, which is also known as primitive data types. So for instance, I input my name inside of quotes. Okay, you can see Ibrahima here. I input it inside of quotes. So what Python detect is a string. Okay, so let's say age. Okay, this is 30, so I input a whole number here, so it detects an integer. I input a decimal number. Okay, it detects a floating point. And also true or false. Okay, it detects it as a boolean. Okay, so the type function can be used to check a variable data type. We are going to look at that. Also, data types can be converted using typecasting functions such as the int function, the float function, the string function, etc. And we are going to take a closer look at them. Okay, so see you on the other side. So now it's time to go ahead and codify data types. We said data types defines the type of value a variable can hold. Okay, so now I'm gonna come here and let me just type name is equal to, let me change that, name is equal to in strings, and I'm just gonna go ahead and input my name, for instance. Okay, and I'm gonna go down here. Maybe I'm gonna say age is equal to, let's say 58. Okay, or let's say 50. Let me go down and I'm gonna input a price here. Let's say price is equal to, and the price is gonna be, let's say 11.99. So this was supposed to be 50. So let's fix that. And let me go down. And now I'm gonna say is underscore active. For instance, I'm gonna say this is equal to true. Okay. So now we can see. Okay, now I'm gonna load this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the type function so as to see the data type. So now let me come down here, and first I'm gonna start with name. Okay, so now I want to check the data type of name. So type function, bracket open, bracket close, and now I'm gonna input name. So now I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna print it out, bracket open and bracket close. So now let me load it. You can see it is string. Okay, remember whatever we put in quotes, okay, either single quotes or double quotes, at the end of the day it's gonna be a string. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check age. So now let me just quickly copy this just to make it faster. I'm gonna come down here, paste it, paste, paste, and I'm gonna make some changes. So name, next one, age. Okay, and the next one is price, and the final one is gonna be is underscore active, is underscore active. Okay, so now I'm gonna load it. So the first one we say is already string. The second one, age, remember age is a whole number. That being the case, it detects an integer int, that is class int, class string for the name. Okay, so we said when a number has a decimal, you can see 11.99, that is a floating point number, and you can see here class float. Okay, and now the final one, boolean, when you put true or false, okay, true or false, at the end of the day it's going to detect a bool. So now you have seen how Python determines the type of a variable. So go ahead, pause the video, play with this, make some changes, customize it, do whatever you want to do, and let's improve our coding muscles. So see you on the other side as we are going to continue with what is called typecasting.